What are non-hearsay purposes for statements in court? Imagine a courtroom where every word spoken could be used against someone, but some statements are allowed for reasons beyond just proving what's true. That's where non-hearsay purposes come into play. When someone makes a statement outside of court, it's usually considered hearsay if it's used to prove the truth of what they said. But not all statements are meant to prove the facts. Some are introduced for other reasons, which makes them admissible even if they seem to be hearsay at first glance. One common non-hearsay purpose is to explain why a person acted a certain way or to show how a statement affected someone. For example, if a police officer testifies that an informant told him about a suspect's illegal activities, that statement isn't necessarily to prove the suspect's guilt. Instead, it shows why the officer started investigating. It helps the jury understand the officer's actions without relying on the truth of the informant's claim. Another purpose is to use prior inconsistent statements. If a witness has made a statement before that conflicts with what they say now, that earlier statement can be used not just to challenge their credibility but also as evidence in itself. It shows that the witness's story has changed, which can be important for the case. Statements that reveal what someone was thinking or feeling at a specific moment are also used for non-hearsay reasons. These include statements about their intentions, motives, or emotional state. For instance, if someone says they were scared or angry at a certain time, that statement can help show what they were experiencing then, not necessarily to prove what actually happened. There are also statements made while someone is perceiving an event or right after it happens, known as present sense impressions or excited utterances. These are admitted because they are believed to be more reliable since they happen close in time to the event or under stress caused by the event. For people defending someone in court, understanding these non-hearsay purposes is key. It allows attorneys to object when statements are offered to prove facts but accept them when they're used to explain actions or show a person's state of mind. This helps protect the defendant's rights and ensures only relevant, properly admitted evidence influences the jury. In short, non-hearsay purposes let certain statements be used in court for reasons other than proving what they say is true. They help explain conduct, show credibility issues, or reveal mental states. These rules balance the need for relevant evidence with fairness in trials, making sure the jury gets a clear picture without being misled by inadmissible hearsay.